first problem is more the right side. Like we talked about before, I want to make her feel comfortable. Okay, that's the biggest thing. Okay? Look at this. That's a little more. So here, I'm going to do is move her hair out of the way. I'm going to go under her neck back here with my hand. You have what's called the occiput, C1, C2, and C2 has what's called TPs on both sides. They're like a little bit of a wing on both sides, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's where my contact's going to be to help push that bone around that way. That might be loud. Okay, let's do this together. Ready to go. All right, so nice and easy. Not bad at all.
Miss Garcia.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Ready? You're next. All right, here we go. Simple, very easy. All the way down. How's that? You like?
Yeah.
Good. Grab a seat. All right. Good luck. Good luck. You're welcome. Good job.